This is a piano tutorial on the Elvis tune, Don't Be Cruel. This is a really simple song, a good one for a beginner. In the key of C. I'll show you the fingering for the right hand. This is as a soloist, so you put your second finger on A here. Then you move your thumb down to C here. And stretch your third finger up like that. Third finger down here. And then it repeats, then it's your thumb on middle C. Fourth finger there. B note. Now I'm kind of taking a little liberty with the melody here. Elvis doesn't sing it exactly like this chart here, but I'm playing it the way he sings it. So on the second page, you got the second finger on G again. Third finger here. And your thumb here, and you gotta stretch your third finger up there. Thumb there. Third finger on E again. This is the end. Finger there. Down there. Really very simple. Then your chords. We start with a C chord. C7 there. C, E, G, B flat. F chord. C, F, A. Back to C. D minor, D, F, A. G7, D, F, G, B. Back to C there. And then it repeats, and then this is the second ending. F chord, C, F, A. G7 again, D, G, B. D, F, G, B. F again. G7. Back to C. Sing that C. There, F, A, C, C again, D minor, D, F, A, G7, C, that's an F, C, F, A, G7 again, F, G7. It's just got the ending, which is stuff you've already done. D minor, G7, C, D minor, G7, F there, G7. Really simple. So I'll be sure to work on it hands alone, and when you're ready, you put it together, and this is what it sounds like. you.